everybody, welcome to my makeup today. This is going to be a short and sweet video. I've already done most of my face makeup. What this video is about is the new Ipsy bag. This month's bag is an adorable butterfly. I absolutely love it. I love butterflies though. I'm just going to kind of go over some of the products. I've used all but the two makeup things that I got. Today we're going to put on the makeup items. So here's the card. One of the items in here that I got is the slanted tweezers from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. They're amazing. They are super good quality, like heavy and sturdy, and they're so cute. They've got the Vintage Cosmetic Company engraved on them. I just love them. I love the box. Look how cute the box is. I have a weirdness for things like that. One of the other items is from Trifle Cosmetics. All of their packaging is absolutely adorable, which, you know, that does it for me. I love cute packaging. This is a really good lip scrub. Mine is in the watermelon flavor. It's like a really super thick Vaseline with a little bit of sugar in it. It did the job. It got rid of all the dead skin on my lips and it felt so good and it smelled and tasted good. I really liked this. Then there is from Delectable. I love this lotion company. I've gotten a lotion from them before and I used every last drop of it. It was amazing. It's not too greasy, but it's not too thin, you know, it actually stays on your skin. Every scent that I've smelled from this company smells amazing. This one is Sweet Mint and Cream. It is so great. It feels very cooling on the skin. Then I got a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and mine is in the shade Stockholm. It's not a bad color. I feel like it goes pretty well with the Meech and Mia Copper. I'm guessing it's a pigment. It's very shimmery, very beautiful. It's this beautiful coppery gold color. I'm going to be using my E.L.F. Mad for Matte palette. I washed all my brushes yesterday and they're like afro brushes now. It's awesome. They're still soft. I'm going to start with my Morphe R37. I'm going to go into this brown shade right here, and that's going to be my transition. I'm going to use my M513. I'm going to daringly go into this gray shade right here. I wanted to play with warm and cool tones today just for fun. And I'm going to put that in my crease. I don't believe I've ever actually used this color out of this palette. Aside from some of the cooler brown tones, this is like a super cool color compared to most of the palette being super warm, so we'll see how it goes. I'm actually really kind of liking it. That coppery gold color that came in the Ipsy bag is super, super warm. And sometimes really kind of orangey copper colors that are super warm like that can go like, I don't know, it's like they oxidize on my lids and they go really orange. So I thought I would offset some of that with some cool tone colors around it. Now I'm going in with my Morphe M433. I'm going to take this cooler toned brown right here, and I'm going to do my outer V about halfway through my eyelid and up into the crease. Thought this color would be nice with this look because it's a brown, so I mean it's gonna have some warmth in it, but then it's a cool tone brown, so kind of a nice mixture of both cool and warm. Now I'm going to take my Morphe E17 and I'm going to darken up my outer corners with this warmer tone dark brown. Just going to kind of pat it in there. And bring it up into the crease just a little bit. I'm going to go back into the gray color and just kind of very lightly blend that through. And then I'm going to go back into our first transition color, just a couple of taps, and I'm going to blend that. Sometimes it's a good idea to just hit reverse and go back through your colors and get a better blend. Now I'm going to take this Scone large shadow brush. I got this in last month's Ipsy. And I just tapped some of that pigment out into the lid, and I'm going to pack that on the inner corner. I'm going to pack that on the inner corner and across the lid. I love sparkly. I'm going to take a little on my finger. Oh Lord, that's so pretty. That is gorgeous. I literally think that's my favorite thing I've ever gotten in an Ipsy bag. I'm going to start out with this M441. It's just a clean brush, no product. And I'm just going to lightly hit the crease. I'm going to go back into that cool toned brown color, just a couple taps, and I'm going to try to kind of blend this out. Taking this random Amazon brush. This time, to lay down the base for under my eye, I'm going to go into this peach shade. I'm going to take that corner to corner. Then on my Morphe E36, I'm going to go into the gray and go about halfway on the corner, right up against the lash line. And then just using that same random brush, I'm going to go into our transition shade, which was this brown color, and I'm going to further blend that out. Now I'm going to go back into our gold color from the Ipsy bag with this little M213. Oh my god, I'm shaking all of a sudden. Totally weird. And I'm just going to kind of hit up the corner and a little bit inward on the lash line, just to bring some of that pretty sparkle under the eye. I'm really loving this. Like, really loving this. Okay, I need to do a quick brow highlight and like the corners of my eyes, so I'm just going to go into my Naked 2. I know that's way backwards. And I'm going to go in with Booty Call. I'm going to do my brows and my eyelashes off camera just to keep this short and sweet. I will be back in just a few minutes. Alright, I am back. My brows are on, my eyeliner's on, and my lashes are done. So on to the lips. We're going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream that we got in our Ipsy bag. And I'm going to line my lips with my Mary Kay lip liner. This is an old one. It's in the color neutral. They don't make this color anymore. Lips are lined. Now in with the liquid lip. Feels really good going on, nice and creamy. I really like that color. We'll see how it wears through the day. It feels really good. So this is my Ipsy look with my bag. It was a decent bag this month. What did you guys get? Leave a comment below and let me know. And while you're there, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!